Hey guys, so here we have a well-loved SUV which came in for a pre-sale for the new owner. So on this vehicle we didn't do any polishing, ceramic coating or PPF. We just did a thorough inside-out wash just to prepare it for the new owner. So over here we washed obviously the entire vehicle, wheels, wheel wells and the undercarriage. Then onto the interior, we did a full interior clean and then coated the leather, giving it an abrasion resistant coating for the new owner so it's much easier to upkeep in the future.